Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and unfortunately it is cancellation day again with Princess. And so what I thought I would do is go ahead and let you know what cruises have been canceled and also the options that you have if you happen to have one of those cruises. And then I'm going to walk you through some really nice options to replace those cruises, as well as some insight in a good time to sail into these ports and maybe some ports to keep in mind for your departure ports and your arrival ports on either end of your cruise. And so first of all, the cruises that have been canceled are on the Regal Princess in the Mediterranean of 2022, because now she has a full ship charter for a cruise departing on July 30th of 2022. And so let me tell you which cruises have been canceled, and keep in mind that some of these are the kind that overlap. You know, you pick up a 14-day cruise and there's 2 7-day cruises as part of that. So let me go ahead and go through this list with you really quick. So first of all, it's the Best of the Mediterranean 21-day cruise departing on July 16th of 2022. We have the Mediterranean with the Greek Isles, France, and Turkey 14-day cruise departing on July 23rd of 2022. The Best of the Mediterranean 21-day cruise departing on July 23rd of 2022. The Mediterranean with the Greek Isles and Turkey 7-day cruise departing on July 30th of 2022. The Mediterranean with the Greek Isles and Italy and Turkey, a 14-day cruise departing July 30th of 22. And finally, the Best of the Mediterranean 21-day cruise departing on July 30th of 2022. And so first of all, if you have any of these cruises, let me just go through really quick your options, and then I'll talk to you a little bit about these ports. So first of all, if you have one of these cruises, you can opt to just have your money back, and they will give it back to you in the same way that you gave it to them. And so if you put it on a credit card, they'll just credit your credit card back for 100% of everything that you have paid. Another option is that you can go ahead and move over to an equivalent Regal Princess cruise for 2022. And I will walk through a couple of really wonderful ones for you of those in just a second, but you can just move it over. And so that is a really good option. If those cruises are any more expensive now than they were when you booked yours, it's okay. You still get it for the price of what you paid. And I think that is a really good option. Now, the other thing that you can do is get a future cruise credit. And so if you don't contact Princess, they want you to contact them by November 15th. And you will have, if you have one of these cruises, you should be receiving an email. If you haven't, you can put in the comments if you want to me, and I will be happy to help you find this notice. But you will be receiving, we've had cancel cruises. They always email us and give us the options. But they want you to contact them and let them know. And if you just don't contact them, they are going to remove the fair part of how much you have paid over as a future cruise credit. Anything that you have paid, like for port fees and taxes, if you prepaid your gratuities, anything else, they're going to refund that to you. Okay, so those are really the 3 options. Now let me tell you some really nice looking cruises, and here's what I think about when I'm cruising around the Mediterranean. A lot of the ports that you start from and end from, it is really popular with Princess that you depart at or end in Rome or in Athens. And there's also an awful lot that come and go out of Barcelona. They either end there or start there. And so my experience has been, I have been on 3 cruises there in the Mediterranean now. And of those, all 3 of them departed out of Rome. And 1 ended in Athens, and 2 of them ended in Barcelona. And just as a point of reference, when you are thinking about this, if you are looking really for the quantity of amazing things to see, Athens has way more to see in my estimation than Barcelona does. Now, if you want to travel to Barcelona to see something specific, then you want to make sure that you get a cruise that starts there or ends there so that you can get to see it. And the same with Athens and Rome. Rome is an amazing cruise port to go out of because there is so much to see in Rome. I have a video that talks about the easiest way, just a couple of things about getting to Rome and then leaving Rome and getting the easiest way to get out to the ship at the port there in Civitavecchia. But other than that, I will get a video up soon all about Rome so that you kind of know what to visit if you're going for 3 days, how to do it, and the best way to do it, because I've been to Rome, I think 6 times now. And so I know Rome and I love Rome. Rome, I think, is one of my favorite places in the world. It used to be Paris, but I don't know. Rome is amazing. They say that the light is pink in Paris, but in Rome it's gold. And so it's just a beautiful place. Anyway, so when you're thinking about it, think about what you really want to see. And so there are 2 cruises that caught my eye, and it kind of depends on how long of a cruise you want. And the nice thing about this region is you can book it so that you get a 7-day or a 14-day without any trouble. But they've got one that is leaving, let's see, July 16th, that is a 7-day, and it goes from Athens to Rome, and that is a really good one. There's one that goes July 9th from Rome to Athens, and there's one also that goes July 9th from Rome to Barcelona. And so those are really good options. You might want to take a look at them and see if any of those would work for you. Be aware that when you cruise in the Mediterranean in July, maybe you already knew this because you would have had a cruise booked in July for it to be canceled. It is really hot then, like really quite very warm then, and it is really very crowded because it is high season for all the tourism. So if you want to go when it's not quite as hot, it'll still be plenty warm. You don't have to worry about getting cold. You can go in September or the beginning of October. I like to go before the time changes, before daylight saving times kicks in there, so that you get a little bit more daylight hours. But it's really nice. It's still just lovely warm there still. And the same with May. May is very nice and warm. You maybe have a little bit chance of showers a little bit more in April or May, but not tremendously so. And it's just not quite as crowded as the high season. But if July is when you can go, you absolutely should go. And so just go ahead and keep those things in mind. And once again, I'm sorry that you've had a cancellation, but hopefully we'll slow down on those a little bit. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you have appreciated this information, will you please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up? We would love to have you in our Let's Go Travel Tips family, and we have a lot of great upcoming videos coming, and we also are doing all we can to keep you abreast of all the pertinent cruise information that applies to you cruising on Princess as well as other cruise lines. And so I will be talking to you again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Bye.